Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Once more with the English translation.
여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요.
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
여보세요. 여보세요.
Then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is person.
와, 과, 통화하고 싶은데요.
This Korean sentence literally translates as person with talk on the phone want, but it means I'd like to speak with person. For example, hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요. 여보세요. 담당자와 통화하고 싶은데요.
Now, how do you answer this question?
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요. 네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
This Korean sentence literally translates as yes, moment wait, but it means okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge.
담당자, 담당자,
A sales representative.
영업사원, 영업사원,
The manager.
매니저, 매니저,
Customer service.
고객 서비스, 고객 서비스,
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
영업사원과 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
매니저와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
고객 서비스와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person? Person.
와, 과, 통화하고 싶은데요.
And how do you answer it?
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say a sales representative?
영업사원, 영업사원.
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
영업사원과 통화하고 싶은데요.
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
영업사원과 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say the manager?
매니저, 매니저.
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
매니저와 통화하고 싶은데요.
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
매니저와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
고객 서비스, 고객 서비스.
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
고객 서비스와 통화하고 싶은데요.
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
고객 서비스와 통화하고 싶은데요.
네, 잠시만 기다려 주세요.
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!